Hello and welcome to diyas Funplay. Let's see what are the effects of air pollution. The most serious threat of air pollution is its contribution to premature deaths worldwide, particularly from cardiovascular and respiratory diseases caused by fine particulate matter. These tiny particles from sources like burning fossil fuels can lead to a host of serious health issues, including heart disease, stroke, lung cancer, and respiratory illnesses like asthma. Air pollution is a leading cause of premature death globally, responsible for millions of deaths annually, primarily from heart disease, stroke, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Children and newborns are particularly susceptible. Air pollution can contribute to low birth weight, infant mortality, and an increased risk of lung infections in children. Air pollution caused by greenhouse gases and short-lived climate pollutants directly causes global warming. These include carbon dioxide and methane, which traps heat in the atmosphere, whereas black carbon, also known as soot, absorbs sunlight and warms the planet. Burning fossil fuels for energy and transportation releases both air pollutants and climate warming gases into the atmosphere. The effects of air pollution on agriculture and food safety are enormous. Poor air quality leads to smaller crops, less nutritious food, and dangerous health issues. Thus, it is important to improve the quality of air in agricultural zones. Air pollution significantly affects ecosystems by damaging plants, animals, and aquatic life, disrupting nutrient cycles through acidification and eutrophication. Key pollutants like ozone, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxides harm vegetation, reduce crop yields, and degrade habitats, impacting biodiversity. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides react with water in the atmosphere, creating acid rain that changes soil composition and harms plants and crops. To control air pollution, we can reduce driving, use cleaner energy, and properly dispose of waste. Large-scale solutions involve industrial controls like scrubbers, air filters, enforcing stricter emission norms, and increasing green cover through planting trees.
Thanks for watching diyas Funplay. See you in the next
Let's
video.
go green
Subscribe
and
for
save
more
Earth.
videos. Why not subscribe right here, right now? Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. diyas Funplay.